Attacking focal point amnesia in the right clavicle that's stemming from the medulla oblongata down to the metatarsals. Jim, relax those bones for me. Good, Jim. That's great. Excellent. How'd that feel, Nate? When you're looking at your phone all day, that's likely to happen. Just relax that head as good as you can for me. Beautiful. Excellent. 1, 2. Amazing, Brett.